Good evening, my dear students. Today we are start with nucleotide chemistry. What is nucleotide? Nucleotides are the building blocks of nucleic acid. What are nucleic acids? Deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid. What are the components or elements present in nucleotide? There are three elements present in nucleotides are nitrogenous base, pentose sugar and phosphoric acid. Nitrogenous base, pentose sugar and phosphoric acid or phosphate. What do you mean by the nitrogenous base? Nitrogenous base are of two types, purines and pyrimidines. What are purines? Purines are adenine and guanine. Adenine and guanine. Pyrimidines are cytosine, thymine and uracil. And the next element is pentose sugar. Specifically, it is ribose and deoxyribose sugar. Ribose sugar present in ribonucleic acid, that is RNA, and deoxyribose sugar present in deoxyribonucleic acid, that is DNA. And the third element is phosphoric acid or phosphate. Nucleotides are phosphate ester of a pentose. Nucleotides are phosphate ester of a pentose. The pentose means ribose or deoxyribose. Ribose present in RNA and deoxyribose present in DNA. Nucleotides are phosphate ester of a pentose in which a purine or pyrimidine base is linked to carbon number 1 or first carbon of the pentose sugar. Nucleotides are phosphate ester of a pentose in which a purine or pyrimidine base is linked to first carbon of the pentose sugar. Here, purine or pyrimidine base is linked to pentose sugar at its first carbon. The nitrogenous base found in nucleic acids are of two types, purines and pyrimidine derivatives. Nitrogenous base found in nucleic acids are of two types, purines and pyrimidine derivatives. Purines and pyrimidines are 9-member and 6-member heterocyclic nitrogenous rings respectively. That means purine, adenine and guanine. Purines have heterocyclic rings with 9 members. That means 4 nitrogen atoms and 5 carbon atoms. It is a 9-membered ring. 4 nitrogen atoms and 5 carbon atoms present in purines. It is a heterocyclic ring. And pyrimidine, it is a single ring structure with 6 atoms. In this, 2 nitrogen atoms and 4 carbon atoms. Purine, these are adenine and guanine. Adenine and guanine. Purine. The short word for remembering the name of purine, pure as silver. What is the short form of silver? It is Ag. Ag stands for adenine and guanine. Pure as Ag. That is adenine and guanine. pyrimidines. These are cytosine, uracil, and thymine. Cytosine, uracil, and thymine. Short word for pyrimidine. CUT. C-U-T, CUT. T stands for cytosine, U stands for uracil, and C stands for thymine. Next is nucleoside. What is nucleoside? Nucleoside is nitrogenous base plus pentose sugar. Nucleoside is nitrogenous base plus pentose sugar. Nucleotide, we already discussed. Nucleotide is nitrogenous base plus pentose sugar plus phosphate. Base plus pentose sugar plus phosphate is equal to nucleotide. Nucleotide function. The first function is we already explained, the building blocks for DNA and RNA. Nucleotide act as the building block for DNA and RNA. It forms a backbone of deoxyribonucleic acid. The second function is nucleotide act as intracellular source of energy in the form of ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. Another form of energy is guanosine triphosphate. Okay, the adenosine triphosphate formation. An example is phosphoenol pyruvate is converted to pyruvate. ADP is converted to ATP. One molecule of energy is produced. And one molecule of GTP is getting from TCA cycle. The third function of nucleotide is act as a second messenger. Second messengers, for example, cyclic AMP, that is cyclic adenosine monophosphate. These cyclic AMP formed in response to the interaction of glucagon with its G protein coupled receptors on the surface of hepatocyte. The cyclic AMP is formed in response to the interaction of G protein coupled receptors. One example we already studied. These cyclic AMP activate protein kinase A, which catalyzes phosphorylation. Okay, the cyclic AMP activates protein kinase A, which catalyzes phosphorylation. These phosphorylation and dephosphorylation reactions regulate glycogen metabolism. We already studied. And the fourth function is nucleotide participate in cellular signaling switches. For example, G protein participate in cellular signaling switches. G protein. The G protein coupled reaction in families. For example, rhodopsin family. G protein transduction to activate visual phototransduction pathway. G protein transduction to activate visual phototransduction pathway. It is coming under in vitamin A, that is rhodopsin family. And another example is secretin glucagon receptor family. Secretin glucagon receptor family. Example is it is peptide hormone that activate via G protein coupled reaction. Peptide hormone activate via G protein coupled reactions. All nucleotides have two ring structures composed of, one is 5-carbon sugar, another is nitrogenous base. The all nucleotides are two ring structures. Two ring structures. One ring structure is 5 carbon sugar, that is pentose sugar. 5 carbon sugar, ribose sugar in RNA, D-ribose in RNA, and D-deoxyribose in DNA. 5 carbon sugar, D-ribose in RNA, and deoxyribose in DNA. And the second ring structure is nitrogenous base, that is purine. Purine having heterocyclic ring, and pyrimidine is a monocyclic ring. And the third element is phosphate group. Purine, it is 9-membered heterocyclic ring. It is 9-membered heterocyclic ring, 4 nitrogen atoms and 5 carbon atoms. 4 plus 5, it is 9. So 9-membered heterocyclic ring. It consists of 4 nitrogen atoms and 5 carbon atoms. Pyrimidine. Pyrimidine, it is 6-membered monocyclic ring. Pyrimidine having 6-membered monocyclic ring consists of 2 nitrogen atoms and 4 carbon atoms. It consists of 2 nitrogen atoms and 4 carbon atoms. In the purine ring, the nitrogen atoms present in first position, third position, 7th position and 9th position. In purine ring, the nitrogen atoms present in first position, third position, 7th position and 9th position. And the carbons present in second, fourth, 5th, 6th and 8th positions of carbon atoms. Second, fourth, 5th, 6th and 8th. And the nitrogen, 4 nitrogen atoms present in first position, third position, 7th and 9th position. Adenine. The chemical name of adenine is 6-aminopurine. 6-aminopurine, that means in the 6th position, one amino group is present. In the 6th position, one amino group is present, so named as 6-aminopurine. And another interesting thing is adenine, N-I-N-E, that is 9-membered ring. Adenine, it is 9-membered ring, and its 6th position, one amino group is present, so its chemical name is 6-aminopurine. Guanine, its chemical name is 2-amino-6-oxypurine. It is 2-amino-6-oxypurine. In the second position, one amino group is present, and in the 6th position, oxygen group is present. That is, the chemical name is 2-amino-6-oxypurine. The same as that of adenine, it is guanine, N-I-N-E. Guanine is 9-membered ring. Its second position, an amino group is present, and in the 6th position, oxygen is present. So, the chemical name is 2-amino-6-oxypurine. Cytosine, it is a pyrimidine base present in DNA and RNA. The chemical name of cytosine is 2-oxy-4-aminopyrimidine. Chemical name of cytosine is 2-oxy-4-aminopyrimidine. That means oxy group present in the second position and amino group present in the fourth position. Cytosine present in both DNA and RNA. Uracil. The chemical name of uracil is 2,4-dioxypyrimidine. It is the base present
only in RNA. 2,4-dioxypyrimidine. The second position and the fourth position oxy group is present. The chemical name of uracil is 2,4-dioxypyrimidine. Thymine. The chemical name of thymine is 5-methyl uracil. That means one CH3 is extra in uracil. These thymine is present in DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. The presence of thymine in DNA is more stable than RNA. The chemical structure of thymine is 5-methyl uracil. The second position oxy group, sixth position oxy group, and fifth position one CH3 group is present. The pyrimidine structure is planar in nature, and this helps in stacking of bases one above the other. This property is useful in stabilization of DNA structure. The pyrimidine structure is planar in nature, and this helps in stacking of bases one above the other. This property is useful in stabilization of DNA structure. An important thing is the pyrimidine. Thymine is present in DNA. The thymine having CH3 group, it also increases the stability of DNA molecules. The presence of oxy group and amino group pyrimidine bases show two types of tautomeric, that is keto-enol and amino-iminoprotomeric. There are two types of pentose sugars present in nucleic acid, ribose and deoxyribose. Ribose present in RNA and deoxyribose present in DNA. The chemical name of ribose is C5H10O5. The chemical name of ribose is C5H10O5 and deoxyribose is C5H10O4. One oxygen is left in deoxyribose C5H10O4. And the chemical name of ribose is C5H10O5. The second position OH group is present. And since OH group is present in the second position, it is more susceptible to hydrolysis. That is, RNA is more reactive, less stable, as well as easily degradable compared to DNA. The second position OH group is present. And since OH group is more susceptible to hydrolysis, that is, RNA is more reactive, less stable, as well as easily degradable compared to DNA. The sugar, ribose or deoxyribose, linked to furan or pyrimidine base through an N-glycosidic linkage. The linkage is N-glycosidic linkage. Furan bonded with the first carbon of the sugar at the N9 apex. That means the 9th nitrogen of furan bonded with the first carbon of the ribose sugar. In pyrimidine, the first position nitrogen or nitrogen present in the first position of pyrimidine ring bonded with the first carbon of the sugar by glycosidic linkage. In this slide, shows one example for nucleosides such as adenosine. In adenosine, adenine connected with ribose sugar by N-glycosidic linkage. That means the 9th position nitrogen in adenine reacted with the first carbon of sugar, first carbon of ribose sugar, that is adenosine. N9 reacted with first carbon of ribose through and glycosidic linkage. N-glycosidic linkage. In this slide shows the linkages base, sugar and phosphate. Please listen. In pyrimidine ring, the first position nitrogen connected to the first carbon of ribose sugar, and the phosphate group linked with fifth carbon. And in some structures, phosphate group can also link to sugars at its third position also. Examples of nucleosides: adenosine, guanosine, cytidine, thymidine and uridine. Adenine combines with the ribose, it is adenosine. Guanine combines with the ribose, it is guanosine. Cytosine combines with the ribose, it is cytidine. Thymine combines with the ribose, it is thymidine. Uracil with ribose, it is uridine. Nucleoside: deoxyribose, that is 2-deoxyadenosine, 2-deoxyguanosine, 2-deoxycytidine, 2-deoxythymidine, 2-deoxyuridine. This slide shows the examples of nucleosides present in DNA. Thymidine and deoxyuridine are not found in nucleic acid. Thymine is only present in DNA as deoxythymidine monophosphate. Thymine is only present in DNA as deoxythymidine monophosphate. Phosphate groups are three types: monophosphate, diphosphate or triphosphate. Phosphate can be bonded to either C3, carbon number 3 or carbon number 6 of the sugar, C3 or C5 atom of the sugar. Examples of nucleosides: adenosine monophosphate, guanosine monophosphate, cytidine monophosphate, uridine monophosphate, and inosine monophosphate. The formation of AMP: adenosine plus phosphate. The formation of GMP: guanosine plus phosphate. The formation of cytidine monophosphate, that is cytidine plus phosphate. The formation of uridine monophosphate, that is uridine plus phosphate. The formation of inosine monophosphate, that is inosine plus phosphate. Nucleosides linked to phosphate through esterification, that is the phosphate group linked to the fifth carbon of the sugar molecule in nucleoside through esterification. This is the structure of 2-deoxythymidine monophosphate. In this structure, thymine combines with the deoxyribose. The linkage is glycosidic linkage between first nitrogen of thymine and the first carbon of deoxyribose, and the phosphate group attaches to the fifth carbon of ribose by esterification. In this slide, the structure of adenosine monophosphate, that is AMP. In AMP, the 9th nitrogen of adenine linked to the first carbon of ribose through glycosidic linkage, and the 5th carbon of ribose linked to phosphate group through esterification. Nucleotides RNA. Ribonucleic acid is a polymer of ribonucleotides, and DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is a polymer of deoxyribonucleotides. Uracil is present only in ribonucleotides, that means uracil present only in RNA, and thymine is present in deoxyribonucleotides, that means thymine is present only in DNA. Nucleic acid polymers, examples are adenosine monophosphate, guanosine monophosphate, deoxyguanosine monophosphate, deoxyuridine monophosphate, deoxythymidine monophosphate, and deoxycytosine monophosphate. And also the important energy carriers are adenosine triphosphate and guanosine triphosphate. And important components of coenzyme, FAD, MAD, and coenzyme A. Already familiar, the FAD is the coenzyme of riboflavin, NAD is a coenzyme of niacin, and coenzyme A is the coenzyme of pantothenic acid. The nucleotides act as the second messengers in signal transcription, for example, cyclic AMP and cyclic GMP, and act as phosphate group acceptors. The ATP means the ADP combines with the phosphate group to form ATP, and the GTP, the GDP combines with the phosphate to form GTP. Nucleotides present as active metabolites such as S-adenosine methionine, UDP glucose, and CTP, cyclidine triphosphate, present in chronic CTP, etc. Another function is the nucleotide analog used in the treatment of diseases, example, gout and cancer. 5-fluorouracil used in treatment of cancer, and allopurinol used in the treatment of gout. Atypical bases have a modified role in recognition of oligonucleotides containing them and the regulation of their half-life. One example is the 6-methyl cytosine. Some other bases are found as metabolic intermediates, for example, 5-methyl cytosine. 5-methyl cytosine is a methylated form of the DNA-based cytosine that regulates gene transcription and takes several other biological roles, and another one is 5-hydroxymethyl cytosine. Other examples are the 7-methyl guanine as a part of capping mRNA. It is coming under the post-transcriptional modification. Then dihydrouracil present in transfer RNA, mono and dimethyl adenine present in mRNA. 7-methyl guanine as a part of capping mRNA is coming under the section of post-transcriptional modification. Dihydrouracil that present in transfer RNA, mono and dimethyl adenine present in messenger RNA. Hypoxanthine and xanthine as the metabolic intermediates, and uric acid as the end product of urine catabolism. Thus, xanthine is converted to hypoxanthine, and hypoxanthine is converted to uric acid with the help of the enzyme xanthine oxidase, and uric acid as the end product of urine catabolism. Other examples are methylated xanthine are present in caffeine, theophylline and theobromine are present in coffee, tea, and coca respectively. Many chemically synthesized analogs of purine or pyrimidine based after nucleosides and nucleotides used in research and management of disease. Analogs used in the different types of cancer. Example, 5-fluoro or 5-iodouracil, 3-deoxyuridine, 6-thioguanine, 6-mercaptopurine, 5 or 6 azathioprine, 5 or 6 azacitidine, 8 azaguanine. Cytotoxic nucleoside analogs and nucleobases were among the first chemotherapeutic agents to be introduced for the medical treatment of cancer. This family of compounds has grown to include a variety of purine and pyrimidine nucleoside derivatives with activity in both solid tumors and malignant disorders of the blood. These agents behave as anti-metabolites, compete with physiological nucleosides, and interact with a large number of intracellular targets to induce cytotoxicity. These nucleoside analogs, which are incorporated into the DNA prior to cell division. These analogs interfere in the base pairing needed for new DNA synthesis. This leads to defective DNA synthesis, and so dividing cells do not survive. These nucleoside analogs incorporated into the DNA prior to cell division. They interfere the base pairing, and that leads to defective DNA synthesis, and so the dividing cells do not survive. It can prevent the cancer growth.